Bibiana, me and Okito, we are going inside the building. If you sight anyone, just whistle like this. Yeah?
Okay, you know you're my twin sister. I'll do anything for you. If I hear the sound of any human being, I will whistle. Not to mention sighting anyone.
Oh yeah, whistle, let me see. Bibiana, Chineke me. So you do not know how to whistle?
I'm just practicing. Don't worry, when the reaction comes, you see, I will whistle like a whistle.
If that is what you call whistle, don't whistle, just meow like cat. Meow. You got this one. See, do that when you sight anyone. No? I don't want to hear story. I don't want to hear story at all because I know how stupid you can be.
Okay, I promise you, no mistake whatsoever. I know we can be stupid sometimes, but I'm getting wiser by the day.
You and who? Bibiana.
Me and you now. Ejima, stupid twins.
Shut up. Everybody in this community knows that I'm the smart one and you are the stupid one. Nonsense. I'm just pissed because of this your stupid statement. I better wait.
It's not like that now. Don't be angry.
You can't be hugging me like this in the public. Someone might see us and tell my father.
I know. In that case, let us go inside. Once we get inside there, we do some talking. Then after the talking, we then now visit your Jerusalem.
What is Jerusalem?
Okay.
What do you think? What do you think we want to go inside and do?
You people want to go and talk some love matters or where?
Yes, love matters, and after the love matters, another thing we know that concerns love matters. Then I will now visit the inner chamber.
Hey! Hey!
I will make sure that no eyes shall see people. You see, I will be watching.
Just stay and watch, yeah? Watch out for, be vigilant.
I'll be vigilant.
Uchegu, there.
Oh, Jim, there. Don't worry, just go. I'll do vigilante for you people.
Bibiana, be vigilant too.
Bibiana, be vigilant too.
What are you doing with my daughter now? Vivian, if you are booking Anya. How? If you are booking Anya. Nekwanka, pussycat. Pussycat. It's not.
Thank God. It was many small. They almost caught us.
Come on, get that boy here. She got us red and you're saying she did not catch you. How come you did not see her coming from the beginning of the road and she got to this building? Idiot!
It was just a moment nap. You and Okito stay for so long. I just said, let me just sleep. And the next thing, I slept off. By the way, what were the two of you doing that made Monica to shout? Hey! Were you two killing each other?
Idiot! We are cooking.
Hey! What were you cooking?
I'm not here. We are cooking jollof rice.
Hey! That's why you didn't want to tell me since you know I like it.
Come. Why can't you make use of your brain? I told you to keep a watch and be vigilant when you slept off. Idiot. See, I will not forgive you for this thing you did to me.
Do you think that vigilante work is easy? I was waiting for you people since. I just started waiting. My brain was just hearing Bibiana sleep, Bibiana sleep. I just slept off. You think vigilante work is easy?
Hey, Chine, come on! This girl is annoying. They are gone. What did I give to you that did not give me smart and intelligent sister like me? I'm so intelligent. This one look is so stupid. Chine,
I wonder. I've been asking myself the same question.
I want to die. I want to die. See, let me tell you, if you don't want me to commit suicide now, permanently stay away from me. I don't want to have anything to do. Just go.
Viviana, I'm your one and only twin sister. Please now. I swear I'll die. I'll kill myself now. Viviana, please now. Please now.
Oh yeah, shut up, just go.
Sorry, Viviana.
But Mama will give me a room today for Monica to see you.
Sorry now.
Baffles me the effort some parents are making to get their children well behaved. But the effort seems to be in vain.
Huh? Can you imagine? Do you know that this man, what is it, a cage?
A cage.
That boy that is from a very good family, from very good background. That boy, what that boy is doing these days is baffles me.
Hey. Where do you think your children? Come back here, you adulterous female children.
Huh? Vivian, didn't you hear what your father said? It's baffling me. Look at the way you are looking at us. Even after what you have done. Haba!
Me, looking at you. Hey, to me, you don't exist.
Huh? Hey! How dare you talk to my wife like that in my presence? Are you mad?
Daddy, tell your wife to respect herself or mind her business.
Which business? Tell me, which business do you want me to mind? I am your stepmother for crying out loud. And I cannot just sit back here and watch you people mess up yourselves. I cannot.
Yes.
I cannot.
You are not my mother. You will never be my mother. You will never in this world replace my mother.
You are so unruly. You are so disrespectful.
A disgrace.
A disgrace to this family after being caught in the act. Look at who is
A disgrace.
You are the biggest disgrace in this family. I will slap you. After how many years of marriage? What have you gone to show for it? What do you have to show for it? Nothing. Give our father a mere child. You are here talking about disgrace. Oh, stay here with them.
Daddy, don't mind Vivian now. She doesn't mean anything that she said. Dada, please forgive her. She's sleepwalking. She's been sleeping this morning. She doesn't want to wake up. Please
shut that mouth up.
It's true.
You have a way of defending your sister. Even in your presence here, your sister called me a barren woman. And you are there defending her. Saying that she's sleepwalking.
She's sleepwalking. You see, I told you she's sleepwalking. See, I told you she's sleepwalking. You see, she's sleepwalking.
Who's interested?
You think I'm joking? Look, she's sleepwalking.
She's the bucket. I told you.
She's your love.
She's the bucket. Come. Go and sleep. Go into the house. Go straight.
She's your love.
Now you see she's the bucket.
You continue guarding her. That's burglary.
I'll tell you that she's the bucket.
She's going left instead of right too.
I'm so afraid though.
Even if you say I work a dialect, you form it.
No, this one you're talking is not even what I'm saying. See what is happening, oh. I'm afraid, though. I'm afraid
of what?
I'm afraid of this, your children, oh.
You look like a lioness, but you behave like a rat. Why is this so? Everybody who looks at you, you just lioness. Why do you behave like a rat running away instead of going into the fight?
No, this one. This one.
Be your love. Don't see go gilly. Still, don't be afraid. She wouldn't do anything.
It's me, John. Just tell me your life. You're saying something good. See anything? Sure can do it. Who gave you this sense? You're too much. See the way they ran. The first one on one. Now it's important. Let's do it again.
Relax what?
The truth is that right now I don't have no money. I don't have any.
You don't have money on you? Wait.
The money is in my house. Can we just go to my house?
Okito, I should go to your house.
Yeah.
You are who?
Okay, fine. Tomorrow I'll give you that.
Okito! If by tomorrow I don't see you in my shop to give me my money, you and I, the whole villagers, they will gather for you.
Bring your voice down.
I should bring my voice down.
Look at we are in front of them.
Look at this one. Shameless man. So you're even ashamed. Oh, you don't even want them to hear about us.
Yes.
That you're owing me money. Anybody who sees you will think that you're a well-responsible young man, not knowing that you are so irresponsible and you can't even foot your bills. Look at you, shameless man. Ole bruku. Rubbish. If by tomorrow I don't see in my shop, the whole village will gather for us. Useless man.
I accepted. Am I the only person going yourself? No, come and shout. Come and tell people. Am I the only person going? Even the Buha, do you know where Buha went? You know whether he went to borrow money? Look at you. How much, by the way, am I owing you? 370 naira. Am I the only person going? Come, let us
go. Customer. I put in your then the bread will be inside that pot. No, the milk inside, see them. And the inside. No, customer, you supposed to add 20 naira now. You owe me 10 naira before now, 20 naira. Customer, don't do like that. Next time if you come, bring them. Bye-bye.
Davido.
Ah. Okay.
Davido, the Solomon. You know, as I was like thinking, okay, you need to, change the line of business, change so that you be life up and doing like your friend. But I know I really need to change business, so I don't know which, the business to change to.
But for me, work there very, very hard now, and if I would suggest to you, I would tell you to keep thinking until you get something good.
I said I need business, just like you now. As you have your own business, your own shop, you are making a lot of money. Let me also have my own.
Well, I will tell you, but under one condition.
Which is no, say anything you say, anything you mention, I will do it.
Any condition? Baby Anna.
Aye, nah, oham nishika mja, bangam. Aye, why not choose another thing? Not that I cannot. I can, no. I can. No, if I consider it done.
Thank you. Now, the thing there is this. There's this cooperative microfinance bank. They will give us loan after everything. We'll be paying for 4,000 every month, for every week. So when you finish paying, whatever that remains is your money.
That's enough. We are instrumentally. Take me there. In fact, I'm ready.
Why will I take you there? You don't do what I tell you make you do. When you just stop finish, you just strike a deal. You say, "Look, I can't go there."
Not that I'm trying to, move away from the agreement. See, that Bibiana, the other one is Bibi. That is Bibiana. The other one is Vivi. Vivi, my own one. Bibi, you're about to. Vivi, that is Viviana, doesn't want any harm man to come close. Just in summary, she controls. She has upper hand over the BB.
If she controls the sister, that means you don't want to control your own honey. Yes, because it's only when you do your own I can now introduce you to what I want to introduce you to.
Okay, fine. Let me kidnap them. Let me hold her. What am I saying? Okay, fine. Let me speak through Karafia, Viviana. Then from Viviana, I can now capture Viviana's heart. If I consider Bibi, I will do anything. Just consider it done.
Okay. Until I sit down, introduce you to the place.
In fact, at this point now, packet me something like Indomie, or you can bring the one carton of Indomie. Let me start introducing you to Bibi.
To start with, all the goods in this my shop has, in fact, everything don't expire. They are not good for Indomie. Indomie been expired since last 3 weeks.
Okay, fine. Give me bread. See bread. Give me bread. Anything. Let me
bread.
Bread.
Big size or small size?
This one I'm looking at now, small.
Okay! My neighbor's a child, I like bread. My neighbor don't buy and finish.
You eat 2, and I eat 1.
Why?
The 2 will mean that you have twin children.
2.
Yes.
2 boys.
2 boys. One will be a doctor, one will be a lawyer.
Okay.
Hey, where are 2 of you going?
We're going to Amosisi.
Vivian, come back here. At least I know this time around you're not sleepwalking. Come back here.
Oh.
What?
Oh, Daddy, Bibiana has answered you.
Answered you? See, that I've not done something since you killed my wife at childbirth doesn't mean I don't know what to do.
Daddy, I don't like these things you say to me. I don't like them.
Well, why shouldn't you like it? Yeah? I wish 2 of you had died with my wife at that childbirth.
Daddy!
Shut up your mouth, you brainless idiot. Eh? What am I even doing with female children? Eh?
You see why I don't like listening to your trash. Because I know you will end up telling me and my sister how we killed our mother, or even calling us Obanje.
2 of you not Obanje. It's obvious. Everybody knows it. Eh? You are useless. Eh? One empty goat in the head. The other one stubborn just like that. Eh? Two of you are useless. You know it. Useless children disturbing me here. I wish you just disappear from here and not come back again to my house.
Daddy, what have we done to you? Why do you hate us so much?
You know really shut up.
If you keep calling me Ogbanja, I'll become Ogbanja.
It can be whatever. See, you are Ogbanja already. Not that you will become. I said you're empty-brained. Eh? I see, just disappear. Don't come back again. Let me have my peace.
Look at them. Just have a look at them. Anyone that has these ones as children, is as good as being child.
Yes. Since you don't have our type, why are you still childless? I am asking you. Why are you still childless? You don't have our type.
Dada, Dada, you better start loving us so that God will have mercy on you and give you children. If you insult me and my sister again, I'll tell my Ogbanja friends to attack you in your dream.
Attack? No. I will tell them to eat her up. And I will make sure that happens tonight. Next time, you will fear twins.
Let's go. My husband, did you hear that? Did you hear that? I'm afraid though. I am very, very afraid. Of course, I will not sleep in this house this night.
You are protected. Nothing will happen to you. They will do nothing. Let them go and come back. I will show them that I own and run this house.
My husband, these people are Ogbanja.
Don't fear them, I've told you, don't fear them. I'm equal to the task. Yeah. Are they not small girls? Yeah? You can beat the two of them at the same time. Can't you?
I don't know now, they're Ogbanja.
There's a way to deal with Ogbanja. Don't be afraid. I'm with you. I'll protect you. You know, go.
My beautiful Viviana.
Hey!
Akugo. Odimnobi. The queen of the earth.
Don't talk to me.
I should not talk to you.
Don't talk to me. You make me want to throw. Don't love my sister.
I love you.
I don't. Chere. What is happening? Can somebody tell me what is happening?
Who is this one?
He's boy. He said that he loves my sister.
Imagine.
Yes. Who is the boy? Is boy somebody's name?
You're asking this kind of question.
You don't mind.
It's a name to a pussycat, not even to a human being.
I'm talking to my girl. I love her.
You love her.
She knows.
That looks immense. Wagam, you love in front of me. Boy, let us not have. I don't want to push you. Neither do I want you to push me. Just stand now and walk away.
I love you.
You love, go and love your grandma. You want to rape you people?
Yes.
Boy, leave now. My
I
anger
love
is gone.
her.
I am developing my anger now. Boy! Wagam, leave. Leave.
Baby, don't you love me?
Imagine.
It's okay. I was actually trying to, in fact, looking for both of you before this mumu enter here.
If I'm beating, talking to my sister anyhow.
I need to talk to you. But can your sister just wait for us? Just can you wait? Just here, wait for us. Everything is alright.
Just wait here. Oh, okay.
Will you stop there? Stop there! Look at you walking to the house as if nothing happened. Huh? You scared my wife and made her to run away. Huh?
Papa, she gone forever. Is she coming back?
Look at the kind of stupid and dumb question you're asking.
I'm only asking because I miss her.
Miss you? Good riddance to bad rubbish.
Huh? Good riddance? Huh? I'm going to flog that Ogbanja out of you.
You dare not! My Obanje friend escorted me home. It is pity you can't see them. If you dare touch me, they will take away your life.
You think I'm afraid of you? I insist I will talk the Obanje out of you! Yes.
Rose! Hibiscus! Queen of the night! Come! Come and attack him! Hey, wait oh. So if I leave Papa, he will use that kind on me. Me, Vivian. Eh?
Next time, Daddy will never try it again.
See, it is good he believes we are Obanje. I am okay with that. What kind of nonsense is this? See, I am not Obanje. Be very careful with me.
Obanje, bye-bye. You dey pursue Bibiana. You dey find woman. You don't want spend money. Now inside there, you go die put. You dey follow Bibiana. You dey find woman. You don't want spend money. Now inside there, you go die put.
Imagine, even since yesterday, I came here several without even meeting you. Imagine your door was locked.
I'm not happy. I'm telling you, I just woke up and I don't feel like to do anything. I'm not okay.
No, you are not happy. Yes. Look at even your face. What is the problem?
It's Bibiana now. That girl.
Oh, come Nisibel and Doka. CMS. So what happened?
Each time I open my mouth and talk to the girl, to tell the girl how I feel about her, what I have in mind for her, my plans for her. Each time I open my mouth to tell the girl that I love her, all the rest, this girl will start laughing at me as if maybe my clothes is not well ironed or if I'm not wearing the size.
Eba, gam, double bell. I told you, there's no way you get her. If you want this girl, walk through me. Do not go behind me. That is only Igbo, which you are. Walk with me. Don't go behind me. I told you. As long as I have Vivi by my side, I will just nail her. Bam.
So you mean I should rush to Vivian now?
Why will you do that? For what? Okay, now let's look at the way we're going to do the game now. Let's start by the other one. The other is something you gave me the other day. I gave it to her. You gave me. I gave her. So now you give me so that I will give him. Sorry, give me, I give her. Package something like Indomie, and then you get me something like aqua egg with 5 alive a big one. Let me give it to her. She will accept you very, very fast. Put them inside now. You are bringing it with your heart, your whole heart. You don't squeeze it. I hope you are happy. Can you put one eye down your face? Smile, Pico.
He thinks it's comrade. You are looking for a woman. Come and chase woman now. Idiot. Don't be small race though. Let me go and see my baby girl.
Hello, Chika. Chika. Yes, I've gone back to my husband's house. Please don't be annoyed I didn't tell you. My ovulation will be coming by tomorrow, so I don't want to miss anything. Yes, please, we will talk. Bye-bye.
When you are boiling like this, what is the problem?
What?
Somebody will be talking to you. You will even your common call itself, your common name, you cannot answer. Are we quarreling?
Hey, did you come here to insult me?
Sorry, how can I insult my in-law? Sorry, how can I insult my person? Yes. Let me just tell you this. I've not been sleeping well. And I cannot even dream well. I cannot even concentrate in my business. I cannot even do anything on my own. My heart has been aching me. Please, I'm in love with somebody. Help me talk to the person.
Hey, yeah. But see, it will be nice you talk to her yourself, okay? Wait, by the way, who is the girl?
Bibiana, your sister. Bibiana, your sister.
Yeah? I am warning you. She's my only sister and she's very innocent. If you know what is good for you, stay away from her. I don't want to see you near Bibiana. Don't say I didn't tell you. Unless you want to see my madness. Stay away from Bibiana. You love Bibiana.
It's unfair now. Can't you allow the poor innocent girl to make decision of her own? Dwarf. Short girl. I don't even fix your hair. Clean up first really 8. Nonsense.
Imagine your friend stop me this morning and say he likes my sister.
There is nothing wrong from a man talking about love.
I don't want any man around her.
Are you the one to marry her? Are you the one to marry your sister?
No. But if I see a good guy, I will let her marry him.
You see, I'm a good man, and I really love Bibiana. I love your sister. Alright, now let me prove to you that I love your sister. Okay, too.
I know you, I trust you.
I don't know this thing you're doing.
Yeah, no one may Oh, that's good. But I'm missing something. She likes Indomie. Bring a tray. Include the tray.
In that case, I'll come with her tomorrow.
See, make sure you come with her tomorrow.
I will bring her tomorrow, yeah?
So you're coming with her?
Then you're not biscuit, can
so I like frog.
tomorrow we see you.
I'm the choice of Baraka. Dalu! Greet Babiana from you.
Where's your brother? Yeah.
So this piece we're talking about, it depends on the approach you are adopting. There's an approach that will give you peace, there's an approach that will give you pieces.
Yes, so, especially when you are married to somebody you love.
Like in our own case, that's why the love is there.
Why? Somebody might hear.
Yeah. See, each time BI and BI go out, they don't come back until nightfall. But they regard this household as a plague. Yeah, so we don't have any fear.
I don't know. Maybe they are in their boyfriend's house.
We are making the same point.
No more this year. No more that. I will catch you. I will punch you. I will scratch you. I will tell you down. You think that Genevieve, do you know what she was saying? Why she was singing that song? Because of people like you. That's why she was it.
What are you talking about? You were just having fun, laughing and all that. There was nothing going on. Eh?
Daddy, you have been hiding your wife inside this house. You see, my friends will start stepping on you today. You see, look at her. She's sweating like Christmas gold. She has been abusing me and my sister. Today I will show you.
Don't tell. He hasn't come to that. It's alright. See, I'm going to give you that money you've been asking for. Okay? But please, let Vivian not hear about it. Let it be a secret between the two of us. I bring the money.
I'll bring it. Look, so you're in this house. You're not ashamed of yourself.
Will you shut up? Is this not my husband's house?
Is
this not my husband's house?
What are you doing with him? What are you doing with him?
Where is the money? It will take care of whatever you want to buy.
Be counting it, bro.
Well,
Be counting.
It's complete. You can even buy more than you requested.
It's not complete. The money is not complete.
You have to count again. It's complete. I can't deceive you.
Okay.
I told you.
What if my sister Viviana asks me, oh, I'll find out this secret, what will I tell her?
No, she won't know about it unless you tell her. Eh? I will not tell her. She will not tell her unless you do.
Okay. Daddy, it's a deal. Only the promise that you will stop maltreating me and my sister in this house.
Listen, it won't happen again. I assure you. It won't come to an quarter. No. So?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Are you alright? For peace to reign. For peace to reign, you agree to even what it's not comfortable with you. That's the way it is. Continue drinking.
Hello, honey. How are you? Honey, I'm missing you a lot, though. I don't know how you had to leave me here alone with these your Obanje daughters. I'm not comfortable at all. Honey, that is not even... I don't want you to buy anything for me. Don't buy anything. All I'm saying is that we have to make a plan. And when you come back, we make a plan and send one of them out. Yes. No. I know someone. My brother now, that is living in Aba.
You know him now, that one that sells rice and beans. Let us send Viviana to her, so that he can put her through with that business. After about 7 years, he will give her something to start with her own business. You know, I will always think better for these children now. Then we will stay with Viviana here in the house, yes. Honey, when are you coming back? I'm missing you. Okay. I'll be waiting. Okay, bye-bye.
Why are you crying?
It's Daddy's wife, Monica.
Who? Wait. Is she back? Huh?
She has been hiding in this house all along. She's hiding in Daddy's room.
Tell me, what did she do to you?
She was telling Daddy on the phone that they should separate us when Daddy returned. That they will take you to our bar for boy. When Daddy returned. Please, baby, don't let them separate us.
I promise nobody will separate us. Wait, I'm coming.
Monica! Monica, open this door! Monica! Hey! Monica, open this door! You're looking for my door! Monica! Monica!
I know how Baka mentioned you said more than at 3 o'clock. Or I walk busy. Relax, I know what I'm doing. My sweetie potato. Hey! And then I went to Hammock on her back. She mean a rock. Vivi! You're welcome.
This man said
a good man. My best friend.
To prove my love, you can enter my shop pack anything.
Anything.
Everything.
Anything.
Everything, not anything.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ló lò ó kà á dàpánu kà ń jà bágẹ́m alẹ́ èkó. Give you an open check. Only for you, just all you need to do is just to write 1 million something, 1,000,008 or 2 million. You went there and you wrote 5 naira, 15 naira. For what? A man said you should go and shop. You went there only to collect. You collected just bread. Go there and shop now. Pack everything. Go.
Oh, okay.
There's waterproof there.
Yes.
please bring shaving stick.
What are you doing with the shaving stick? Leave it. Because I'm forced to wait one.
No wait. Hey!
Go and bring the fridge. The fridge there. You can pack the fridge. Or bring this one.
Okay. I should take Martins.
Martins. You can even bring the fridge. That fridge or the fridge, you can bring it. Look for Indomie. Cut on.
Is this one?
No, cut on. You will never pem. Indomie. You are just tired.
Just pack. I'm tired.
Pack.
Should I carry this one on my head? I should carry it on my head. Put it on my head.
Return those things. Return them, yeah?
Hey, let me take the bread.
I was only trying to test his patience, but I can see that he's a very nice man. And B, you know you need a nice man. Oh, try.
No, we are trying to test you. You're mad. Me too, I'm trying to test you. You're a man.
Should I take this one back?
Take this back. You're a man.
You're a nice person.
You're a man. I will be testing you too. You are only brother, cannot attack this. I'm still testing you. I'm
just trying to hold it. That's if I'm in it. Yes. If you want to take, we'll take.
Yeah. We must do something. Come on. This is the only one is child.
What is going on here? Why are you holding tight to my daughter's hand?
Sir, actually, she's the one holding me and I'm trying to separate, but she won't let go of my hands.
Before I close and open my eyes, all of you, vamos here!
Daddy, I'll tell her. I'll tell her now.
Wait, now it hasn't come to that. It hasn't come to that. Okay. Young man, what brings you to my house?
Sir, she is the one.
She's the one?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Because of boyfriend.
Viviana's boyfriend.
Okay. Is that so? Your love is so good. Man, you're not kissing before entering there.
Let me go inside.
Before you kiss?
Inside.
But you kiss here, I bless you.
Idiotic twins, inseparable twins, super bad, stubborn good, brainless fool. If na your mama born them, if na your papa born them, you go where every can no poke and nakatopo. Idiotic twins. Idiotic twins, inseparable twins, super bad, stubborn good, brainless fool. If na your mama born them, if na your papa born them, you go where every can no poke and nakatopo. Idiotic twins.
Viviana, what are you doing here now?
You sneaked out of the house. I followed you.
Followed me? Come. How long have you been here? Tell me the truth.
Since I've been doing vigilante for you people.
You said since. Now tell me, what did you see?
I saw many things.
Come on, let's go. See, next time don't follow me. Hey, let's go, John. Baby, later. Let's go.
She saw many things. I hope this girl did not see my John Thomas. Look at the way she was even trying to look under. There are so many cousins.
in my class.
Vivi,
How are you?
hey, I'm fine. No, Chineke, Auntie, it's been a while. What are you doing in this village?
Well, I decided to come to a place where nobody knows me or my past, so that I can see if I'll find a husband.
Auntie, you don't teach in that school again.
Gimme, let me ask you a question. Single forever, is it a title or a status? When I get a husband, I'll think about those ones. The job can wait.
Hey, so you came to this village to look for a husband?
Mom. And it must happen soon. With all these things I'm carrying, I am very, very assured.
Hey, Auntie, so you think these things can make a man marry you? See, what you need to do is to get a good man for yourself.
Vivian, me hand about this one. Husband ultimate search. And it will happen. But if you're talking about a good man, let me be searching. While you will equally help me search. If you find anyone, give me a camera. But I believe these ones are a plus.
Auntie, you sound desperate to me, oh.
Yeah. Change my name from this moment on, from Equatus to desperation. I am not as ashamed to acknowledge it. I am desperate.
Anti-desperator.
Oh yeah. Husband miracle must happen very soon. Well, let me ask you. Are you from this village?
No. I came to look for somebody.
Okay. Let's go to my house. I have isiewu and palm wine. Let me go and host you.
No. Auntie, let me go. The place I came from is very far.
Vivian, you were my most intelligent. In fact, all my years as a teacher, you were my most intelligent student. Then why would I see you and allow you go like that? No. I must give you a little treat. Biakanga, let's go.
And Vivi, you're looking big like this.
You are welcome. Welcome to my house.
You stay here?
Yes, I do.
Hey, you don't have neighbors at all?
Obviously, I don't.
These two doors, Uncle. Nobody stays there.
Viviana, I stay here alone. I stay in the whole house alone.
Hey, it's quite lonely here.
You may say that, but it will become heaven on earth when I find the Mr. Right, or when you help me find the Mr. Right.
Auntie,
Come inside, let me entertain you small.
You dey pursue Bibiana, you dey find woman, you no wan spend money. Now inside there, you go die put. You dey follow Bibiana, you dey find woman, you no wan spend money. Now inside there,
Bia, boy, what are you doing? What are you doing in my father's house? Sitting there,
I came to inform you guys that your father has traveled to Zamfara State. He got an urgent call through an old friend, through my father.
Boko Haram, please.
So he has gone to the center of insurgency for all those bombing and shelling without telling us, Okwaya?
He didn't tell us so.
Okay.
Waited for you guys. You didn't show up. This Zamfara is not safe. An old friend won't ask him to come over. So, he has gone.
Daddy, come back.
I told you he traveled. When people travel, they will come back. They must come back. What kind of stupid question is that?
Hey, since you already know. Shut up! Must you be pointing it at all the time? See, let me tell you, don't make my sister lose her self-confidence. You know, I'm not wagging. No. Wait, B.
She even told me you made fun of her the other day on the road. Okwaya? Uja dira atoge. Eh?
I heard you say confidence. Who is losing confidence? Eh? This Mumu losing confidence.
Okay, my sister Mumu.
Eh? She is Mumu.
Don't worry. Okay, don't worry. My sister, eh? My sister Mumu. Stop it!
Look at how you're doing.
Stop it,
You are a complete traitor. Mind yourself. Mind yourself.
I'll do with you.
You're a traitor. You're a Mumu. Complete traitor.
My sister is not good. My sister is good. Pity very well. Stupid idiot. Thank you. You know me. I always look at you. His good daddy has traveled there. His wife Monica. You see the other side of me. We deal with her. Let's go, Jerry. You know, coming to my house to insult my own sister. Idiot.
If na your mama born them, you go where every can no poke and a katopo. Idiotic twins. Now waiting be this year. Now who be this year? Which kind girls be this year? Bibiana, idiotic twins. If na your mama born them, if na your papa born them, you go where every can no poke and a katopo. Idiotic twins. You be Momo, Bibiana. You be Jackie Chan and way power. You be Momo, Bibiana. You be Jackie Chan and way power. You be Momo, Bibiana. You be Jackie Chan and way power. Controller General Viviana. Controller General and way ranking. Controller General Viviana. Controller General and way ranking. Controller General Viviana. Controller General and way ranking. To bad rubbish.
Forever and ever. Amen. She will never think of coming to this house again. If she come back, I will beat her. You beat her. Do you have strength? Look at you. V, did you see that? Let's go, Salaman, baby! How are you? Don't be surprised.
Dad! No, I am not afraid of him. Who is he? Who is he? I don't want viewers. I don't want yard people, neighbors in the yard to hear. I miss you.
I miss you too. So tell me, what did you eat? So tell me, what did you eat?
Wait.
This is my sister, eh? This is my sister, eh?
Trouble. Big trouble.
Me, what did you eat?
What did you eat?
Me, I eat Agwanabis.
I ate Agwanabis.
Which one is Agwanabis again? What kind of food is that?
I ate okra and bread.
Blood. Banded okra.
I'm happy you are here.
Yes,
Let's go inside.
Inside. You ready to go inside? You want to go inside? We are inside.
Let's go.
I want to go inside. We are inside this. Inside, go in first. Baby, go. Hey, Leon, bye.
Papa, Daddy, so you and your wife are planning to separate me and my sister, Oya? Your plans will never work, oh. Oya walk on.
When you shake na kuma, I not sell for my fafa for 2 days. I not come on before back. My fafa travel. I stay for 2 days. I come back. I not plan for welcome. No welcome.
Hey, Aboki Malam, just close your mouth. This is none of your business. It's a family issue.
It is his business.
If you talk for me, I swear to God, I go dagger for you.
Yes. No, don't talk about dagger now. See, he is #1 member of this family. So he has every right. But he is my long lost son. He has right more than the two of you. Yes, that's the truth. Where's my wife?
Mama, let me know. Daddy, she packed all her belongings. She ran away. She was doing bomb dancing. Her leg was touching her buttocks.
That my wife did what? Run away.
She was doing.
Then the two of you caused it. Two of you are 1 year. You caused it. Hey, and we were trying to make babies.
Hey, Daddy, babies at this old age.
Yes.
Anyway, you already have a son, eh?
Yo,
so you don't leave. You don't need that. Let her go. Go now.
Hey, you chased my wife away when we were trying to make babies. Oh, my son, come, let's go in first. Come.
Daddy, this is your son.
Come.
He looks like a monkey mala. I'm going to see you. Hey!
Yes, my wife. Yes. Please, I understand how much fear they put in you, but I assure you, it will not happen anymore, please. It will not. Don't say that, please. See, my long-lost son, Malik, is back. So he is there to deal with any of them if they misbehave. They can't do that again, please. Oh? Aha. Good. Hey! This is another Onuku. Hey, why am I unlucky with children? Why?
Hey, Fafa. I see him for me, I compliment me. Fine girl see him for me, I compliment me.
Oh, of course. You look fantastically hilarious.
Thank you, thank you.
And your shoes have seen the better days, the days of our ancestors. Jesus. And this year I was white shoe. It looks like something that you borrowed from the madman at the Kori Mama Market.
Fafa, I tell her, I see her for, I have these candidates. They are very, very good. I like them for them.
What do you mean? They are making fun of you and you're liking them. The reason why I brought you here is to deal with them, not to like them.
Fafa, you see for these children, they don't get them for any problem. I like them for them very, very much. They don't get them for any harm. Allah kwa, see them for them. See them.
Oh my God of compassion. Talk some sense into this, my son.
Daddy. This your son is Oluku.
Thank you.
At the same time. He can't even hold a flag.
If I descend on you, I'm going to expunge that to a wonder in you that's making you not to respect your father.
Riani Baba. One of I see for problem yinsu. Eh? It's some as I said, they see for them. Eh, Papa? I see for communication breakdown. These are the children, they don't get them for any problem. Now you are the hatch for them. Live on for them, they are very, very good. I won't go out, I won't go see them for the village, I won't look for Sahara. If I come back, go talk them for
now why? Hey! This one is Oluku grade 1. He can't even deal with me. My sister can handle this one. B, I've seen the person you are better than. Yes.
Shut up your mouth. Yes. How can you compare my son with this retard? How can? Huh?
Daddy, I'm better than your son. Oh, this one that is carrying big stomach up and down. How can you compare me to him? This one, do I borrow shoe from madman from a Kolima market?
My enemies have succeeded. Am I cursed? One is a fearless, stubborn goat. The other one a senseless retard. Then this one, Onuku.
Grade 1.
Oh, now. Which one do I have confidence in? Hey! Is your love? Is your love? Is your
Come, let's go inside.
And then what not the Hey! Moi qui disais je n'a qu'un cabo, un cato. Ah! Et je love c'est que on est mal n'a qu'à pour toi ba.
Get some cassavas. We almost done with this one.
Okay.
I went Ranzai village. I know Siampo. I need brukutu to drink for me.
What is brukutu? You think you're in the north? See, what we have here is Nkwelu, Hero, 3-3, and other lager beer. Not your brukutu.
I don't know for that one. That one I too expenses. Wallahi, I too very expenses. I drink up for that one. That one go punish him for my money for drink. As I know friend boy oh boy. I carry me, I show me for a new drink, I drink them, I get them for my body. Well. New drink.
So that stupid boy took you where you drank, Abi? Okay.
He's with me. I drink them, I drink them.
Shift, oh.
I drink them, they sweet up for me.
Jesus! What is smelling like rats?
Jesus! Hey! Please, just take it away. Jehovah!
I don't hear them put any smell power like.
Come, but can't throw that nonsense away.
Maybe thy neighbor I the shit around. I hear them put smell. I say thy shoe like smell it.
Hey, your shoe is worse than chemical weapon. Is it not the same shoe where you were going out?
After much trekking and searching of Brukutu, he soaked his sweat, and the sweat triggers the smell. Be throw that nonsense away. Throw it away, I beg.
Go. Why they throw for my shoe? Like say they get problem for my shoe.
Let me ask you. Have you showered today?
I don't shower them for today, but I shower them for yesterday. By place, we know they shower them with the wash them for hand, wash them for face, wash them by jambodi. The one I wash them for yesterday go carry me reach them for next month.
Eh? Hey! Come on!
See everywhere is smelling.
I don't get up for another shoe. If I go come out, I go down like this for months. I don't go wear them for anything.
Dirty. What kind of person is this? Do you like the food?
There's no money.
Show me also. Can you cook? Eat, Joe.
I want like a lie. I see them for them. I get them for everything I want.
Please.
I drink them for them.
Look at him.
Yeah,
he's a bit drunkard.
Always wrong. Never sober. Babe? I think it's God's punishment to Daddy for hurting us because we are.
He's true.
I see a popud. Kai wallahi talai. Pange, I am very, very hungry. I need them for that food. I am very hungry wallahi.
Eh? Come. Do I look like your husband? See, let me tell you, if you're hungry, go to the kitchen and cook for yourself. Now, like, what look wow. Give me my food. Come on, see me who for us.
You know good and for me. You know they am for good. I tell a man, I enter them for kitchen, I cook them for one and food. You know good. Allah, young kurid wallah, I give them for food, I chop them for food, I damn for well. My eye, I turning me round. I know they see and clear. Can I again, you don't know.
Oh, look. Oh, yeah, is your case. So, in this house, to your tent or Israel, everybody used to cook for themselves. If you don't go to the kitchen and cook, hungry will kill you be thin like me.
And let me tell you, never you ask me for food in this house again. No. Boko Haram.
Allah, if I call up for me for Boko Haram again, I go dagger them for you.
You think I'm afraid of you, Abi? You think I'm afraid of you? Let me tell you, my sister can even handle you. Big, tell them about attacking. Attack him now.
Get them for power, I go kill them for me. Give them for you, I go give them for blow. I chew burong ubanke.
I kill your father.
Give them for nothing, I know.
I won't take your job. Come on, eat now. Come on, eat food. I know, Pam. You know, Boko Haram. Like father, like food.
Malik! Malik!
Yeah, what Baba? Kakirani.
Anytime I call you, you answer, sir. Do you understand? And another time people call you, if you answer, it shows that you had the call. Do you understand?
What?
Yes. Let's have heart-to-heart talk. Take a seat. See, I'm not happy the way things are in my family.
Allah Baba. Suna chika munkunyi kowe. I know them for happy I guess I call me Boko Haram.
There's a reason for them calling you Boko Haram. The way you dress depicts you as Boko Haram. Eh? In addition, you were drunk. You drink too much alcohol, everything. Eh? It's bothering me because I desire to hand over my properties to you. But I won't feel comfortable doing that when I'm seeing you as a drunk and your sisters are thinking the same thing. That's why they can insult you. Do you understand? I want to hand over my properties to you. The farmland at the bar, the house at the Sina, even this house. Economic trees, I want to give all over to you as inheritance.
Baba, I give up for me for everything?
Yes. But there has to be a condition.
Hey, Baba. Me, I take up for all this house, I agree for all the conditions I give up for me, give up for land.
How can you agree without knowing the conditions I want to hand over to you? See, henceforth you start answering our own name, no longer Malik. The name you will answer is Chika Ode. Chika Ode. Say it.
Chukwaidi.
No. Chika Ode. Chi Chukwu Ka Ode Alo.
Okay. Chikwa Aide.
Okay, as time goes on, you'll know how to pronounce it. That's number one. Number two, all the clothes you came down with from up there, you're going to burn all of them and start wearing our own clothes. But I have all this for you. They're clothes. Various items that will make you look like one of us. Not somebody from...
All this, I get up for me?
Very fine clothes.
I drink up for this one, bro?
It's not for drinking, it's just for rubbing on the body, smelling fine.
Oh, whatever.
Having good skin, not skin like those who are living up there.
Okay.
You understand? So you'll now go in, bring all the clothes you came down with, burn all of them, put on these ones, and you look better. You understand? Okay. Then again, when my daughters insult me, you will be there to take care of that. You deal with them. Serious dealing.
Baba, I come for inside, I bring them for my clothes, I burn them for all of them, I catch up for my sister, I dagger them.
No, don't dagger anybody here. It's not part of our culture. In fact, we don't carry even a table knife. You understand? When it comes to issue that warrants a serious beating of my daughters, it's not dagger you're going to use. We beat with the hand, not with dagger. So go in there, bring out your clothes, burn them.
I slap them for me.
So go in the change.
But what, Baba?
Bring your old clothes and burn them.
I dagger them.
Don't dagger anybody. Why? Iji your love. Esi eko gili. Ndị mmadụ na-agakwa ebe ahụ. Iji your love esi eko gili. Ndị mmadụ na-agakwa ebe ahụ. Ofu ebe ahụ. Ha sitube n'ike agwụla na ma ama nga ọzọ. Olee ihe na-eme ndị mmadụ?
Mosha brukutu me daddy. Wayo Allah brukutu me daddy. Asha brukutu ashara mare. Wayo Allah brukutu me daddy. Gaso brukutu achina madere. Wayo Allah brukutu me daddy. Wayo Allah. Ayi so brukutu de daddy. Asha brukutu me daddy. Asha brukutu me daddy.
What are you doing?
My fafa, I tell her for me to burn them for all my clothes I come back with. My fafa buy for plenty clothes. He buy for plenty clothes for me. I change that for this one. He tell him for me. I open up an account for me. He tell him for I start up for business.
Eh? B, you see Daddy? He refused to send me to the university. But look at what he's doing for his Boko Haram of a son. Is it fair?
I call up for me for Boko Haram. You call up for me for Boko Haram? My name I know be Boko Haram. My name na Chukwaidi. Eh? You call up for
Ah! Jesus! You slap my sister! You tell Boko Haram! I'll put you to the... I will kill you! I will put you! Snake in the monkey shadow! Idiots.
20-0. Play for 20-0 and I play for football.
Teach you how to play game today.
I say for today I go deal am for you.
Try me.
Yo wa dakata.
20.
Dakata mutumi na. He say for my own.
You dey show me wetin you carry. Hold on, let me share game.
Oh, okay.
You know sabi play. Pick 2.
Gashi, I get up for pick 2. I get up for 5. I go give up for you for 1. Now, what did I do for you? Give up for 2.
Pick him for 2. Pick him for 2.
I play up for this one.
Haba, pick 2. See you. You no go fit. You came here, man.
Now you go plan for that.
5. Oh, yeah.
I plan for 5 again. You get up for block, they borrow me for 1, make I continue on for this one where I don't play.
20-0. Promise.
So I don't go and for market. I don't go on my game for market. Stop up the foot. Hold on, Uber. Why is about of you? I they go dressing like this? Wearing for this kind of clothes? I they show up for my gindi.
We are going to visit Angwe. This David Solomon shop also gonna Angolika.
Don't mind her. She's David Solomon's girlfriend.
Oh, Zabot of you, I won't go see him for thy boyfriend. At the time, I won't go see him for Anilika. Are they Chris?
Come, what is the meaning of this rubbish? You better mind your business, boy, oh boy. We children. Can't we just go to where we are going to? Yeah, so.
My friend, you see, it's high time you deal with this girl.
Korekwa.
You have to deal with her. It's getting too much for her. So that next time when she sees you, she will shake. You need to deal with her.
Boy, oh boy.
You need to deal with her.
Make I do for action, ko.
Beat her. Beat her.
For back for me, boy, oh boy.
Hey.
Very, very well.
Leave
Beat her.
us.
Boy, oh boy. Beat her. They be my sister. I don't beat her for them.
Deal with her so that she will fear you. She will be afraid of you.
Boy, oh boy. I they tell them for me. I they tell them for me. I don't feel do for anything for them. I know.
Come, daddy. Come, give me a high five. Give me a high. From today, she will be afraid of you.
I do for action, ko.
You are the big boy now. You are the big boy.
I put up for 2 people. I plug up for take 5.
Malik, my friend, daddy. No, from today, she will fear you. Watch out. When she sees you, she will shake.
I push up for that small one. I push up for that small. I use that. I knock out for her.
Okido.
I'll finish it.
I will tell you that I know I am jobless, but I have a work. Bagam. I can do the amazing. I go bagam. Ah, who is now? Bagam. What's that biscuit? No biscuit. Okay, I'll put biscuit. The biscuit is sweet.
Two, 3, 4. Can I bruise a star?
That's a star. That's a star. Stop, Jordan. Stop. Star 7, ngwa. Ekwe ndo ka ha mana ka njọ. Ibia. Bagam. No, Jodo. General market. Jaya.
Big 2. Check up. That's number 1.
Okay, I don't do force.
I don't win you. Forget that thing.
If you don't go, Joro,
I'll not your Joro. Forget.
Hello. What is the problem? What?
My brother Boko he slapped my sister.
You know slap you, Abi?
Maybe that brother Boko Haram is making life miserable for us in that house.
Is it? Huh?
He's always beating us. He slapped my sister. Yes.
Oh, you know slap you? That guy is very, very lucky. Huh?
Look at my don't touch it, please.
2 o'clock. Bagam. Your brother.
Yes.
Someone slapped your girl.
Where is he?
Where is he?
See, baby, I don't want him to know that we send you people. I want you to go to the bush and let ambush for him.
Okay.
No,
baby, wait. Okay. Okito. We'll be the one to. Don't worry. We'll be the one to do the punching. Okito will do the punching. They did not touch you. So what is the plan now?
Krebono, where is he?
He went to sell goat at Orieke market.
The brother not in the house. He's not in the house now.
Went out.
If not, like I would have said
No. So Okito, as the case may be, let's plan the attack evening.
In that case, go home.
Evening.
Take your sister.
Do you people want us to kill him or do we enjoy him? No, not you. You don't have hand. You work. Don't worry.
Now we share.
Yes.
Nabano.
Go.
No, baby, don't pity him.
Nah. Government, don't worry.
What is your plan?
I would have said make we go the house now, but the brother know the house now. In that case, may we just wait. As soon they come back now, we can attack.
Like when? Is it night or afternoon?
No, be night. At least let him see the face or the faces of people that you know. If I want to slap him, let him see me as I was that slap. Like 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5.
4 to 5. We no dey confused because if we say 4 to 5, we do mistake. We go just knock am 5 o'clock. We hit. Are you no 5 o'clock? You hit, not we.
No, I will hit.
Yes, 5 o'clock. We hit.
Abogum go 1. Let us continue. Abogum go 1.
See, make I tell you.
What I will not like from you, don't tell me I should calm down. I am not coming down. I do not.
No. See, when I go first, now when this guy go come here, now you can't tell me say no, you won't leave him. For this guy to come out in hand, raise hand on a girl, come send your girlfriend when we die alive. You go kill her today.
So you can reason like this.
They're mad. Nobody they come. You should say this guy will pass here.
I do need now. I'm gonna so
yes. See ya. Why is everybody up here? They look up for me like. You see your life? No, you see your life. Any girl where pass, you go beat her. Any girl where pass, you go beat her. You see that you wait at Bible talk say one day is for the thief. Every day. Wait, you make a tell them in mind. Today, if Okito kill you remain, I'm gonna say Okito na bastard. I won't beat up for me. No, Begamo. I won't beat up for me, bro. Okay. Huh? I won't beat up for me, bro. Huh? Kneel up for me. Kneel up for me. Kneel up. I got for you, pa. Okito. This guy with the word for sins here make you kill. Shut up, it's your case. Okay, I won't beat up for me. It's your case. Sabot up here, I won't beat up for me. No, sir. No, I won't beat up for me. No, sir.
don't know what I'm doing.
You slap person, he said make him kill you today, sir. We will not go see you life again. One now, I won't buy them for me.
No, sir.
I go to Uwaka you.
No, sir.
Thunder go buy them for me.
No, what I'm trying to say. Instead of me to find out why you beat your sister, you want us to fight you. You're supposed to find out why you beat his sister.
Hey, I give up for me advice to fight them for me.
No, now him, no, your sister. No.
God for heaven go punishment for me.
Thank you, sir.
What?
Thank you, sir.
Give up for me, no. Give a knock for me.
I don't give up.
Don't worry. Okay? Give up for me, knock.
Give a knock.
For me. Do up for me like this.
Make a jump.
Do up for me like this.
Make a jump for you.
Don't worry. If I walk up for this village, I see up for my sister. I see some photo people my sister. I go dagger them for you. You hear them for me, bro?
Yes, sir.
You hear them go for me, bro?
Yes, sir.
Run!
Thank you.
Run up for me.
Thank you.
Stop up for me.
Defend yourself.
Both of you, sir, kneel down. The both of you, kneel up for this minute.
What have you done?
Say, walk. Tu panela piapa. Shogunaye. The both of you get up for mind. You call up for my boyfriend to beat up for me, what?
Jesus, we send your boyfriend after you. Is it possible?
China, you send chuma jambulem uwaku. Kunji. Today I go show up for me say I tell for one boku Adam come up for Chibok kills. I go tell up for me one by one. Thunder go fire up for me, yo.
Don't flog my sister.
Yes.
They have flogged me.
What? Chaya, I said up my boyfriend to beat up for me. Don't say you walk on one lap here. Shoguna Yamatiachi. That's what I'm again. I got it up for me.
Why you didn't tell me everything about that guy? Why?
Thank God we survived this. So. Thank God. Fighting a big elephant.
Not as if you don't know him. You know that guy very well.
Yeah, I'm on it.
Baby, why are you running now?
Oh, who said that I'm running? I'm not running. If you didn't notice that thing that ran inside there, before they come with it.
Oh no, Mama.
No, I'm not. Why will I be running? Baby, how are you?
If you just again, look.
If you are waiting. Yesterday. This bread people, will they still bring bread?
Apple bread.
Oh, I'm talking to you, baby.
No, repeat. He said your brother did what?
I said he beat us.
Beat you again?
Yes, look at my mother. You know, see everywhere.
Is he in the house now?
Yes, now.
Go, I'm coming.
Are you sure you beat him enough? He wouldn't have tried this nonsense with us again.
Are you sure? Are we not sure?
We sure are we sure?
We are very sure.
We sure.
Upon all, we single-handedly what I did to him.
Just go home. Just go. Gaba.
Okay, I will come tomorrow.
No. Don't come tomorrow. I'm closing this shop. I will not even open tomorrow.
As it stands now, let me just from here now go home. I'm going home now.
Your maternal home or your village?
Anywhere I go now.
Kesa do you Shanaga?
She took this way, I took this side. As you take your bread. Am I owing you? I'm not owing you. From here, I'm going home because.
Boy, I can't wash him.
Bibiana, what is it? I'm talking to you. Bibiana,
I want my Solomon, David.
Come and carry him.
Bring
Bring back my Solomon David. Viviana.
What is it, Ogini? Ogini?
Bring back my Solomon David.
Viviana, can you hear? Why are you crying? Eh? Why are you crying, Viviana? Please stop this nonsense. You are giving me headache.
Where is my Solomon David?
I don't know. I think they are avoiding us. See, I know that David Solomon wants to see us, but see this our useless Boko Haram brother. Don't let him. So stop crying, Biko. Stop crying. David Solomon.
Inasu.
Here.
Fabiana.
Oh, yeah.
Fabiana. Where are soldiers? Viviana. Fabiana. Yawa. I dey call up for me. I don't for here. Nobody won't answer for me, ba? Yawa. Which one of me function my window?
What is one?
Huh? Who one of you function my window? I give up on my window. Somebody is on for a flip. Function my window. Huh?
Not window is short. Is that not the new short Daddy bought for him? Hey, nah, this is wickedness. Sorry, oh.
the trousers, eyes and nose. Maybe it is your oversized bum that function the ones.
It's up for today. It's up for today. Thunder go pour up for me.
Exactly, my brother.
God go punish me for very, very well. If not before I run inside window, I go pull out walk anywhere I go today. Shogunaye. Come back fire me. Shogunaye. Say that you walk with one lap like.
Which one? You heard what he said. What's your response? Eh?
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for all the things I did to you. I was very stupid and proud. I promised to be a good girl. I promised to respect you. Please, my love, don't abandon us like this. Because of the love we share together, remember I'm carrying your son, please.
Okay, so have you forgiven her?
It's a long time ago. In fact, forgive and forget, sir. I have forgiven, sir.
Rise up and go and hug him.